I think you might be right there. Today I'm on a KTM Super Duke R1290 Evo with a nice smattering of accessories from the KTM catalogue. I've got about 185 horsepower, about 185 kilos, so I'm on that magical 1,000 brake per ton. 140 newton meters of torque, so pretty quick for a road bike.
Yeah, so the bike is more or less around 157 to 160 kilos, and it's about 275 horsepower. Everything is light on this bike to turn this into a beast.
Now let's do this race, finally. Beat both the bikes off the line. Come on, 911. Oh, here comes Danny now. Here comes Chris. No, he doesn't. One more. Oh, Danny got a good start there. Oh, he's on me quicker this time. Look at that. Chris is last. Three, two, one, go! Chris is gone! And now he's going to have some aerodynamic issues. Can I catch him up before the half mile?